Sveiki. Šiandien nusprendžiau pakeliauti ir aš einu į Latviją. Nevažiuoju, bet einu pėsčias. Dabar esu Obeliuose. Čia yra Obelių bažnyčia. Dabar yra rytas. Rytas. 9:20. Po 9:20. Turiu tik vieną problemą. Sugedo mano kameros baterijų pakrovėjas. Sugedo kameros baterijų pakrovėjas. Negerai. Bet tiek, kiek dar galėsiu nufilmuosiu. Dabar einu į Latviją. Pėsčias. Obeliai. Obeliai yra Lietuvoje. Labai smagu eiti. Priėjau pasienio ruožą. Ženklas stop. Ir štai čia geležinkelis. Ženklas it's a sign. Geležinkelis it's a railway. Geležis it's iron. Kelias it's a road. Iron road. Geležinkelis. Ne, aš tiek nenuėjau. Liko 7 kilometrai iki sienos su Latvija. Remaining 7 kilometrai, 7 kilometers. Iki sienos to the border. Labai smagu eiti, labai smagu. Smagu, it's fun. Smagu eiti, it's fun walking, it's fun to walk. Aš jau Latvijoje, mane mašina pavežė iki Eglainės. Aš jau Latvijoje, I'm already in Latvia. Mane pavežė, pavežti to bring a little bit, atvežti to bring using transport. Atvežė, pavežė. Stendera muziejus in Lithuanian. Stendero muziejus, Museum of Stenders. Ir toliau smagu eiti. Labai graži diena. Einam toliau. Aš Daugpilyje. I'm in Daugavpils. Aš esu Daugpilyje. I didn't have to go long. Mane vėl pavežė. Somebody picked me again. In Latvian, Latvijos Republika. In Lithuanian, Latvijos Respublika. It's interesting that Latvia has trams, tramvajus. Tramvajus, it's a tram. It uses rails, railway. In Lithuania, Lietuvoje nėra tramvajų. In Lithuania we don't have trams. Latvijoje yra tramvajų. Rygoje yra tramvajų. There are trams in Riga. And ir Daugpilyje taip pat yra tramvajų. There are trams in Daugavpils as well. Latvija yra mažesnė už Lietuvą. Latvia is smaller than Lithuania. Ir Daugpilis yra antras pagal dydį Latvijos miestas. Antras pagal dydį. Second pagal dydį by size. It means that Daugavpils is the second largest city in Latvia.
In Lithuanian, we say Daugpilis, and in Latvian, it's Daugavpils.
Grožio salonas.
When we hear the name Daugpilis, we think that it's because it has a lot of castles. Pilis, it's a castle. Daug, it's a lot of. But when we look at Latvian name Daugavpils, I think it's not about Daug, many, but about river Daugava. River Daugava, it's the largest river in Latvia. In Lithuanian, we call it
Dauguva. In Lithuanian, Dauguva.
Daugava in Latvian, Dauguva in Lithuanian. Daugavpils in Latvian, Daugpilis in Lithuanian. Latvian and Lithuanian languages belong to the same Baltic group. They are just two languages in this group, and they are quite similar. They sound similar. We have so many the same sounding words, but very often they have different meaning. For example, we have Lithuanian noun debesis. Debesis, it's a cloud. And in Latvian, debesis. In Latvian, debesis, it's not a cloud, it's a sky. And Latvians, they have very nice noun for the cloud. It's makonis. Makonis. And when we hear the word, for example, protams, it's like for the mind, because protas in Lithuanian, it's mind. But in Latvian, protams, it means of course. In Lithuanian, it's žinoma. Žinoma, of course. Like it's known, žinoma. And in Latvian, protams. Another noun is Lithuanian noun garas. Garas, it's a steam. And when we hear the Latvian noun gars, we think that it's the same meaning because we just skip a, as in many words in Latvian. We can think that gars means a steam, but no, gars means spirit. We can think that our spirit is like a steam, but it's not. And in Lithuanian, water is vanduo. Vanduo. In Latvian, it's ūdens. Ūdens. We can understand it, but it sounds like genitive case, but it is nominative in Latvian. When we hear the noun upe, upe, upe in Lithuanian, it's a river, and in Latvian, it's upe, upe. Just Latvians, they pronounce not but e. I have to learn. I think Latvians are going to forgive me for my wrong pronunciation, but I know that in Latvian it's not it's something like e. And a computer in Latvian, it's not computers, like in Lithuanian kompiuteris, but in Latvian a computer is dators. Very interesting. And of course, it would be nice to study Latvian.
Saulės skola, Saulės mokykla. Mokykla, skola, mokykla. In Lithuanian, it's school. O dabar laukiu tramvajaus. Važiuosiu prie didelio ežero. Laukiu tramvajaus. I'm waiting for the tram. Here you can see the tram rails. Pravažiavo tramvajus, the tram passed by, but it was not mine. Tai ne mano tramvajus, tai ne mano tramvajus. Aš važiuoju į kitą pusę. I'm going to another side, another direction. Kita pusė, another side. Į kitą pusę, to another side or to another direction. Taigi, aš esu Daugpilyje. I am in Daugavpils. I will spend one night here. Aš čia būsiu vieną dieną. Aš čia būsiu vieną dieną. I will be here for one day. Atvažiavau prie Struopų ežero. I came to Struopų lake. Struopų ezers. It's in Latvian. In Lithuanian, Struopų ežeras. Atvažiavau tramvajumi. Tramvajus, it's a tram. Tramvajumi. Instrumental case. I came by tram. Struopų ežeras. Giliausia vieta 7 metrai. The deepest place is 7 meters. And we have here žuvys. Žuvys, it's fish, plural, žuvys. All of them, they are written in Latvian. Eisiu maudytis. I'm going to swim. Eisiu. I will go to swim. 22 laipsniai šilumos. The temperature of air plus 22. Ir aš jau nusimaudžiau. I've done my swimming. Nusimaudžiau. Buvo smagu. Einu per labai šlapias vietas. I'm going on foot per labai šlapias vietas. Through very wet places. Per pelkes. Per pelkes. Through swamps. Pelkė, it's a swamp. O čia turiu eiti greitai, nes mane puola uodai. Daug uodų. Turiu eiti greitai. I have to go fast. Todėl, kad puola uodai. Mosquitoes are attacking. Uodas, it's a mosquito. Uodai, mosquitoes. I have to charge my battery and my charger doesn't work. Anyway, ačiū, kad žiūrite. Thank you for watching. Ir iki kitų kartų.